for beginners. Now we have one sentence on a screen. To learn how to read this sentence, we will first learn alphabets. So in German, there are 26 alphabets, same as in English, and 4 additional alphabets. Now we will learn all the alphabets one by one with example. A, apple. B, banana. C, couch. D, Deutschland. A, elephant. F, fish. G, guitar. H, house. E, internet. Yacht, yogurt. In German, pronunciation of J is like Y in English. Ka, cafe. L, Licht. M, man. N, Nagel. O, orange. P, penguin. Q, quiz. R, rat. S, zone. T, dish. U, Uhr. V, Vogel. In German, pronunciation of V is like F in English. V, Wolke. Pronunciation of W is like V in English. X, xylophone. Y, yak. Z, zebra. As I told you, there are 4 additional alphabets. Out of them, 3 alphabets are with 2 dots, and the 2 dots are called as umlaut. A, bear. Yo, yol. U, Fumph. Etc. Fußball. Pronunciation of beta is like double S in English. Now we will repeat all the alphabets. You have to repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now you go back to that sentence slide and try to read the sentence. I hope you understand alphabets. Thank you so much for watching this video.